There are so many ways to make money online these days. How do you make sense of it all? Watch this video to learn how you can make money using Pinterest, even if you don't have your own website. And be sure to stick around all the way till the end of the video, and I'll share with you how you can leverage the Pinterest business model to start multiplying your online revenue today. For the best online tech hacks for bloggers and small business owners, make sure you click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss out when I upload a brand new video every Wednesday. Everybody wants to know, how do you make money online? But every social platform is different, and you've got to know exactly what to do in order to make it work for your business. I'm Kate Murray. With 14 years of corporate and agency marketing, I've helped hundreds of people create passive online income streams, and now it's your turn. Step 1. You've got to set up a board specifically for your affiliate marketing pins. You will not pin anybody else's pins to this board. This is only for your affiliate relationships. Let's take a look at a quick example. The first thing I'm going to do from the Pinterest home feed is to click on my own profile. Then I'm going to click on Boards. The first board is Blogging Strategy by Vogue Media, and that is filled with only pins from my own blog posts. The second board is called Blogging for Beginners, and that's filled with my own affiliate relationships. I do this so that I can keep my boards organized. Step 2, you've got to create a beautiful, eye-catching pin design. If you don't know how to create a great pin design, check out the video above. Here's a pro tip. Create 2, 3, or even 4 separate pin designs, all for the same affiliate link. Step 3, you will optimize each pin with long-tail keyword phrases and applicable hashtags. Keyword research is so important. SEO can seem complicated at first, but it doesn't have to be. That's why I recommend you get started with a free tool like Keywords Everywhere that will help you research your competition so you know what words and what hashtags to use inside your pin and board descriptions. You'll enter your affiliate link in the location where you would normally enter your blog post link. For transparency, don't forget to include a hashtag. If you'd like to know more about how to cloak your links, in other words, use your own short URL instead of a service like Bitly, there's a link in the comments below. The best part about affiliate pins is that you don't need your own blog or website to drive traffic and clicks. You can monitor the success of your affiliate pins using Google Analytics or Tailwind. Google Analytics is so important, but did you ever look at Pinterest Analytics? Let me know in the comments below. One of the most important tools that I use is called Tailwind. As you can see on the dashboard, Tailwind provides important metrics for me to monitor, such as which boards are performing the best and which pins are performing the best. I can then use this information to create more of what's working. This view shows you which of your pins has the most engagement. And as you can see, I actually have a pin from my food blog that's been performing well since 2014. As I scroll down, you can see which pins perform the best. If you're serious about making money with Pinterest, I highly recommend Tailwind. You'll find a link to a free trial in the comments below. Step 4, you're going to schedule and promote your pins on group boards and in tribes using Tailwind. Do not neglect this step, especially if you're new to Pinterest or you have a small following of less than 500. The reason for this is because if you repin from the board of someone with a huge reach, your board will have the opportunity to rank in the algorithm and be seen by so many more people. This is one of the biggest values of using Tailwind. Remember, Pinterest is a search engine, so as long as your links are valid, they will live on for years and years. Remember my pin from 2014? I still can't believe it keeps getting repinned. Now that you've successfully created a passive income stream, how are you going to take your online business to the next level? The secret is to leverage the Pinterest business model to bring traffic back to your own website to sell your own digital product. Being the owner of a digital product business is the single most powerful and exciting way to make an impact while growing your own income and freedom. Creating digital products is what has allowed me personally to grow my online business. If you're ready to take your own Pinterest to the next level, start with a copy of my free checklist. You'll find a link in the comments below. And be sure to like and subscribe because next week I'll be talking all about how to create and sell your own digital products, including digital courses. Thanks for watching. See you next time.